Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of contemporary wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas you can consider adding to your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Have you ever pondered why wood has been a staple material in furniture design for centuries, captivating our homes and hearts? The benefits of incorporating more wood furniture and decor pieces into our living spaces are profound, influencing not just aesthetics, but also the atmosphere, sustainability, and even our well-being. Wood, with its unique charm and timeless appeal, offers a plethora of advantages that make it a superior choice compared to furniture crafted from other materials. The embrace of wooden furniture transforms not only living areas, but also contributes to a deeper connection with our environments. One of the most immediate benefits of wooden furniture is its classic beauty and natural warmth. The rich textures, varied grains, and beautiful hues of wood create a sense of elegance and sophistication that is hard to replicate with synthetic materials. Wood has an organic quality that brings a natural element into our homes, fostering a welcoming atmosphere. Whether it's a handcrafted dining table, a chic coffee table, or elegant cabinetry, wooden pieces add character and depth, enhancing the overall visual appeal of any space. This inherent beauty can elevate the ambience of a room, making it feel more inviting and comfortable. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In contrast to plastic or metal furniture, wooden items possess a unique character that evolves over time. Each piece tells a story, reflecting the growth rings, knots, and imperfections inherent in natural wood. This individuality enhances the sentimental value of wooden furniture as it becomes a part of our lives, creating memories with family and friends. Over time, as wood ages, it can develop a patina that adds to its charm, making it a material that improves with age rather than declining in appearance. Wooden furniture also offers a remarkable versatility that is hard to find with other materials. Wood can be shaped, stained, and finished in countless ways, allowing for a range of styles, from rustic farmhouse to sleek contemporary. This adaptability means that wooden pieces can easily blend with various decor styles, making them a timeless choice. Whether you prefer the warmth of oak or the modern appeal of walnut, there is a wood type and finish to suit every taste and interior design concept. This compatibility allows homeowners to curate spaces that reflect their personality while maintaining a cohesive look. The functionality of wood furniture is also notable. Many wooden pieces are designed with practicality in mind, offering a balance of comfort and usability. For instance, solid wood dining tables can withstand the rigors of family meals, and wooden chairs provide sturdy support without sacrificing aesthetics. They serve as functional art pieces, fulfilling essential needs while enhancing the decor. Furthermore, wood has a natural ability to absorb sound, effectively reducing noise levels in a space and creating a calmer, more serene environment, qualities that are invaluable in busy homes. Beyond aesthetics and functionality, choosing wooden furniture can be a more sustainable option, especially when sourced responsibly. The production of wooden furniture can have a lower environmental impact compared to plastic or synthetic materials, which often require energy-intensive processes and contribute to pollution. By opting for ethically sourced or reclaimed wood, consumers support sustainable practices and contribute to a circular economy. This choice not only benefits the environment, but also provides a sense of pride in selecting furniture that aligns with eco-friendly values. In terms of durability, wooden furniture has a significant edge. Quality wood pieces are built to last, often becoming heirlooms that can be passed down through generations. Unlike particle board or plastic, which may warp, chip, or degrade over time, well-crafted wooden items can withstand the test of time when properly cared for. Investing in wooden furniture is not just a purchase for today, it is an investment in the future, resulting in pieces that retain their beauty and functionality for years to come. Moreover, the health benefits associated with wooden furniture are worth noting. Wood is a natural material that does not emit harmful chemicals, unlike some synthetic options that can release volatile organic compounds, VCs. This contributes to improved indoor air quality, making wood a healthier choice for homes, particularly for those with allergies or sensitivities. Wooden furniture promotes a breathability that can enhance comfort within indoor spaces, supporting overall well-being. The tactile experience of wood cannot be overlooked either. Unlike cold metal or hard plastic, wooden furniture is warm and inviting to touch, enhancing the sensory experience within our living spaces. This tactile warmth creates a sense of coziness and comfort that fosters a nurturing environment, encouraging relaxation and connection. The warmth of wood contrasts beautifully with softer textiles, creating a harmonious interplay that makes any room feel more inviting and lively. In addition to emotional and aesthetic advantages, wooden furniture has proven to be a valuable investment. As the demand for quality wooden pieces continues to grow, well-crafted items often appreciate in value over time. Unlike many fast furniture options that depreciate quickly and may end up in landfills, high-quality wood furniture can retain its value and even increase in worth, depending on craftsmanship and rarity. This financial consideration makes wood not only a beautiful and functional choice, but also a smart economic decision for homeowners. Furthermore, engaging with wooden furniture can inspire creativity and personalization in our living spaces. Many woodworking enthusiasts take on the challenge of crafting their own pieces, allowing for unparalleled customization and expression. Building a piece of furniture from scratch or refinishing an old item can foster a deep connection to the craft and the space it occupies. This creative endeavor enhances not only the uniqueness of the furniture, but also the pride and satisfaction that comes with handmade creations. The communal aspect of wooden furniture is also significant. When gathering around a wooden dining table or relaxing on a wooden patio, families and friends are brought together in shared experiences. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked contemporary wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas you can consider adding to your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.